Hi everyone, this is Knowledge Topper, and in this video we will see another very important job description, and that is job description of a food runner. Okay, basically this job description of a food runner, it is not only important from the perspective of employer or a company, but it is also very important from the perspective of employees as well, because in this job description we have included many important duties and responsibilities of a food runner that helps potential candidates to work on important requirements in order to meet the specific requirement of this particular job. Okay, so every job description, it starts with an introductory paragraph, which is called as a job summary paragraph as well. And generally, it is a brief paragraph, and it states about a particular job title firstly, for which the particular company is looking to hire its potential candidate. In our scenario, it is for a food runner. Then in this paragraph, very important key duties and responsibilities are mentioned by the company, as well as some important skills as well, in order to find its potential candidate. Okay, basically this paragraph is a summary of this whole job description, and it includes all the very important and key information about this particular job of a food runner. Okay, so as you can see on your screen, I have created this particular job description sample for you guys. Firstly, I will read the job summary paragraph, then you will see the detailed duties and responsibilities section, and at the end we will also see the requirement section as well. Okay, like if I can read for you guys this particular job summary paragraph, we are looking for an energetic and professional food runner to join our vibrant restaurant. You will perform a range of tasks including preparing tables, serving orders, explaining meals, and facilitating collaboration between kitchen and wait staff. As a food runner, your ultimate goal will be to provide our guests with outstanding customer service and actively help to improve their overall dining experience. The ideal candidate will be friendly, professional, and demonstrate excellent communication skills. So this is our job summary paragraph. After the job summary section, we have the detailed duties and responsibilities section that provides more detailed duties and responsibilities that must matches with the skills of a potential candidate. Okay, and one more important thing, like all these duties and responsibilities are important, and generally these are part of every job description of a food runner job, but because of the fact that a lot of companies also have different requirements, so they can include and exclude this particular duties and responsibilities section with as per their own requirement as well. Okay, like if I can read for you guys all these duties and responsibilities. As a food runner, your duties and responsibilities include assist customers with their orders by explaining specials, meals, and drinks, and make recommendations. Deliver food orders to a variety of customers in a timely manner. Accurately explain food orders to chefs with specific attention to allergies and special requests. Help the wait staff set up tables by placing appropriate tableware, eating utensils, decorations, and napkins. Uphold our food health, safety, and sanitation principles. Occasionally check on customers to handle any impromptu requests or issues. Remove dirty dishes from the table. Inform management of customer feedback. So all these are the detailed duties and responsibilities for a job of a food runner. After this particular section, we have the requirement, or you can say qualification section. This section includes the education, skills, and sometimes experience requirement that must include in a potential candidate in order to qualify for a job of a food runner. Okay, like if I can read for you guys all these requirements. As a food runner, you must have a minimum of 2 years experience in a similar role. You must also have a high school diploma or equivalent qualification that is preferred for this particular job. You must also have outstanding communication and people skills, ability to stay professional in a stressful work environment, superb multitasking skills. You must also be available to work different hours, including weekends, days, and nights. So, all these are the requirements for a job of a food runner. And at the end, our job description ends with a call to action paragraph that states how a particular potential candidate can apply for a particular job, or in easy words, you can say that how they approach to an HR department to get more information about this particular job of a food runner. Okay, so basically, a medium of contact is written in this section by a company. And finally, our job description is ended here. I hope you like today's video on a job description of a food runner. If you like this video, thumbs up. Do appreciate our hard work in creating this particular video and sample for you by subscribing our channel Knowledge Dropper, as well as like our Facebook page, and do join our Facebook group as well, where you find a lot of good material not just related to these topics but from many other career oriented videos as well. So this is it for this video. Thank you so much everyone. It's time to say bye bye.